Please go so you can be safe. Boop. Luckily down there we have dingus eating bees. Luckily he eats them and then throws them up all over the kitchen floor. You big dummy. But he's a good boy anyway. Alright. We got the old one-legged grasshopper here. Trying to get in our shots. So what we're looking at is the Bluu camping stove. It's like the knockoff version, right? To be fair, I mean, I don't know. I took it out of the box and I threw a can of gas in there. Don't mind the fact that it's jet boil fuel. But yeah, I figured I'd do a quick video to show kind of what we thought about it and then make a cup of coffee with this French press attachment that it comes with. Don't know. All right, so first and foremost, God, grasshopper. This lid is super tight. It like pops on, which is pretty awesome. And as you can see, so the way I have it packed in here is I have the stove itself upside down, right? The fuel, and then in the very bottom I have the tripod, and I have it like that so that when the fuel is nozzled down inside there, the tripod protects the nozzle portion where it screws into the stove, right? Get all the grass out of there. Yum. So I think this one is pretty much just like the jet boil one. Dog's over there eating God knows what. He is good. Anyway, these pop on here. They are super tight. That's what she said. I don't know. There we go. There we go. So, just like that. I left this on here. I don't know if it needs to go on after every use, but I thought, why not? Take that. Open that up so that you don't smash it in there. A little bit of gas escapes while you tighten that on there. At that point, you're good to go. Right? It's pretty stable. I mean, it should be just fine. And then your cup slides right on. I think just like any of the other ones, you pop it on and turn it, and it's on there pretty good. So what we're gonna do real quick, let's move this a little bit, throw a little bit of water in there. We're gonna do 2 cups worth. I'm also gonna time how long it takes to heat up the 2 cups of water. It's probably more coffee than you need, but it's also the max fill line, so. All right, that's the 2 cups right there. My stove is a little lopsided, but I think we're okay. Right? Then you give it the old, you turn it on until you hear gas. Give it a couple pops, you can hear it going in there. Turn it up super fast, and we're gonna start the timer now. All right, so it's been about 90 seconds and we're boiling. Super simple. We'll go ahead and just turn it off. Plenty hot for some coffee. So for 2 cups, got about 3 tablespoons of coffee here. Let that soak in a little bit. So on this, you have this red dot right here. So it pops up. You can screw this into it to act like a plunger. I haven't been able to get it to work super well, but let's try it again. That coffee gets soaked in. So the plunger's on, and what we want to do is we'll throw that in there. I say this like I know. I've never actually made French press coffee before. Make sure our lid is on tight. Keep it nice and hot. We're going to push this down just... There we go. That could have been catastrophic. I'm going to push the plunger down just so that we're sure that it submerges the coffee into the water. There it is. We're going to let that go for about 3 minutes. Okay, so it's been 3 or 4 minutes. I wasn't paying very good attention. Sorry. Anyway, so it looks like coffee in there, so we're going to finish pushing the plunger all the way down to keep those grounds out of the coffee. And then got a little cup of some creamer here. Pops off there super easy. It's like pretty good coffee. Leaking a little bit, probably because I didn't do a very good job putting the lid on. But that came out super delicious. So let's see. So thoughts. Make sure the lid's on. The lid seems like it's on there super tight, but obviously it's leaking. So it's either me or a problem right here. It's probably me. Oh, actually, I think it is me. Now that I look at it, it looks like it might be. Yep, that was me. So, I was going to say the lid doesn't fit super well, and then I realized it's because I suck. So, fits pretty good. Like temperature-wise, you know, after 3 or 4 minutes, like I could hold this. It's not that big of a deal. It's still pretty hot. I wouldn't put it back in your bag just yet. This is warm, but not, you know, super hot. But as you can see, I spilled coffee in it. Again, due to my own ineptitude. But yeah, overall it does just what it's supposed to. I'll be interested to try it out in the field where there's more wind or something. But you know, for making a quick freeze-dried meal or a cup of coffee in the morning while you're out fishing or hunting, I mean, I think it's a pretty good bargain considering how much less expensive it is, and you get the French press included, you know. So anyway, thanks for stopping by and have a great day.